Pred mikrofon vabim in besedo predajam vodji vaje brigadirju Davidu Humaru. Brigadir, prosim. I would like to invite the exercise director, Brigadier General Humar, to take the floor. Brigadier General, please.
Spoštovani minister za obrambo, spoštovani mariborski župan, spoštovani načelnik generalštaba Slovenske vojske, spoštovani gostje, dragi Mariborčani. Prisrčno pozdravljeni na otvoritveni slovesnosti vaje Zvita podlasica. Dear honorable guests, ambassadors, fellow soldiers of Multinational Land Force, General Gamba, welcome in Slovenia and allow me to say a few words on the occasion of military exercise Clever Ferret opening ceremony. Hvala gospodu županu in Mariborčanom, kakor tudi županom in prebivalcem Novega mesta, Murske Sobote, Postojne in Cerkelj ob Krki za gostoljubnost. Mi se bomo trudili, da čim manj motimo vaš vsak dan. The exercises are the highest form of the military training, where we soldiers combine our individual and collective skills, in this case up to the brigade level. We already proved many times, like in Kosovo, Afghanistan and Lebanon, that it works well if we work together. We, soldiers, are serving our countries, and our countries expect and demand from us to be ready for the most difficult situations. Slovenia, Italy and Hungary, we are members of the NATO alliance, and interoperability is our main challenge. Clever Ferret exercise is the premier tool to train our national capabilities for working together. Thanks also to Austrian soldiers to join us. But beside military experience, we also gain intercultural awareness from each other. We get together and make new friendships. Vojaki smo v službi domovine in država nam nalaga, da je ena od naših osnovnih nalog usposabljanje. Za vajami se pripravljamo za najhujše. Slovenija je članica NATO zavezništva, kakor tudi sodelujoče države na tej vaji. Skupno delovanje in varnost je izziv vseh nas. Na vajah, kot je Zvita podlasica, pa ta izziv rešujemo. A to ni samo vaja, je tudi prispevek k mednarodni stabilnosti, kjer se spoznavamo, učimo eden od drugega, s tem pa povečujemo razumevanje in spoštovanje eni drugih. To spoštovanje pa je največji garant miru. Hvala vam za podporo pri organizaciji in izvedbi vaje in želim vam varno in uspešno delo. Wish you all the best, take care of each other and good luck.
Hvala, brigadir. Thank you, Brigadier General. Tudi danes je z nami orkester Slovenske vojske, ki nam vedno obogati slovesnost. Commander of the Multinational Land Force, Brigadier General Ignacio Gamba, to take the floor. Brigadier General, please.
Minister of Defense of the Republic of Slovenia, Mr. Roman Jakic. Chief of the General Staff of the Slovenian Armed Forces, Major General Dobran Bozic. Mayor of Maribor, Mr. Andrej Fistravec. General Humar, David, civil and military authorities, citizens of Maribor, ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attendance here today at the open ceremony of the Clever Ferret 2014 exercise. This exercise starts today is another step along the road to the consolidation of the common defense initiative Hungary, Slovenia and Italy developed in the late 90s to set up a regional force capable of facing any of the arising threats. The organizations today which final aim is to jeopardize the stability of peaceful, democratic and developed nations such as ours. Those organizations use the territory of emerging countries to establish their headquarters, training facilities, and to perform recruiting activities. To do so, they impoverish those countries, preventing from the establishment of more prosperous living conditions and threatening the local population. Hungary, Italy and Slovenia, our nations, have chosen to share the responsibility of guarding the walls, defending the hopes of all mankind. The multinational land force is the result of this common will. That's why we need to stand ready to deploy wherever it is necessary and to act accordingly to make the world a better place to live in. In the next 2 weeks, in different training areas scattered throughout Slovenia, we will train to develop our operational capabilities by improving the headquarters' ability to direct the forces on the ground and increasing the interoperability and integration between our armies. Clever Fair 2014 is a common field exercise, which means a combination between a common post exercise for the MLF staff and a field training exercise for the MLF maneuver units. We all know from experience that we can accomplish the missions we are assigned to only when we are fully integrated, which is feasible only through intensive training. We need to be ready to meet the challenges we'll be facing in the future, as well as we did in the past. When we deployed to the Balkans, if you remember, and also 3 times to Afghanistan. Our operational capability will be verified also by a 3-national evaluation team. I'm sure that every one of us is willing to devote all our energies and professionalism to get to a positive result. Finally, the goal of this exercise is to reconfirm MLF as one of the strongest pillars of the common European security. MLF soldiers, you are the guardians of the freedom of peace. Enjoy training, enjoy comradeship, enjoy multinationality. Slovenki, prijatelji, topla hvala za vašo gostoljubnost. That means for non-Slovenian speakers, I hope, thanks to our Slovenian friends for their warm hospitality. Thank you very much.
Hvala, brigadni general. Thank you, Brigadier General. Z nami je tudi orkester italijanskih oboroženih sil, ki nam bo zaigral skladbo svojega repertoarja. Brigada Slovenske vojske je nastanjena v vojašnici generala Majstra v Mariboru, v mestu, kjer je dobila tudi svoj domicil. Prosim župana mestne občine Maribor, gospoda Andreja Fištrovca, da nam spregovori. The 72nd Brigade of the Slovenian Armed Forces is based at the General Rudolf Meister Barracks in Maribor, also the city of its domicile. I would like to invite Mayor of the City Municipality of Maribor, Mr. Andrej Fištrovec, to say a few words.
Dobar dan, dragi in spoštovani prijatelji v orožju. Dobrodošli v Mariboru. Dear friends, our military friends, welcome in Maribor. Maribor je majhno mesto, vendar pomembno mesto za slovensko nacionalno zgodovino. Maribor is a small city, but very important city for our national history. In ta zgodovina ima tudi dosti skupnega z orožjem. And this history is also history with fight and military actions. To je na nek način v današnjem svetu normalno. Toda važno je, zakaj se orožje uporablja. Upam, da ne bomo več uporabljali orožja drug proti drugemu, ampak bomo uporabljali orožje zato, da bomo lažje živeli drug z drugim. It is military part of our society, is very important part of our society, but it is also very important that this armed forces are our path to brotherhood and best lives on our earth. Torej, dobrodošli v Mariboru, želim vam vse dobro. Slovenija je ponosna nase in ponosna tudi na svojo vojno zgodovino. Dear friends, welcome here in Maribor. I wish you all the best, and our small country is also honest country in this military history. Welcome.
Hvala, gospod župan. Thank you, Mr. Mayor. Še enkrat se nam bo predstavil orkester Slovenske vojske s skladbo Prijatelji, ostanimo prijatelji. I would like to invite the keynote speaker at today's ceremony, Minister of Defense of the Republic of Slovenia, Mr. Roman Jakic, to take the floor. Minister, please.
Spoštovani župan mestne občine Maribor, spoštovane ekscelence, veleposlaniki, spoštovani poveljnik večnacionalnih sil kopenske vojske, brigadir general Gamba, spoštovani načelnik generalštaba Slovenske vojske, general major Božič, spoštovane udeleženke in udeleženci mednarodne vojaške vaje Zvita, podlasica 2014, spoštovani pripadniki in pripadnice slovenske, italijanske in mađarske vojske. Mayor, Your Excellencies, General Gamba, General Božič, members of Hungarian, Italian and Slovene armed forces. It is my pleasure to welcome you all at the international exercise of the Multinational Land Force Clever Ferret 2014. The Ministry of Defense of the Republic of Slovenia and the Slovene Armed Forces assigned great importance to the cooperation with the military of the neighborhood countries. Together we can increase the effectiveness in many joint areas of interest. The multinational land force has made huge progress since 1997, when Ministry of Defense of Republic of Slovenia, Republic of Hungary and Italian Republic signed a declaration of the establishment of multinational land force to underline the importance of military operations for the reinforcement of peace and stability in Europe and to establish strong cooperation based on mutual respect. It has certainly been a great achievement that the countries members of the multinational land force attained and exceeded the 1997 goal and at the same time set firm foundation for its upgrading into NATO structure. So far, multinational land force members have participated in 5 international operations and missions, 2 in KFOR Kosovo and 3 in ISAF Afghanistan. In the second half of 2012, MLF was for the second time committed as highest readiness force within the rotation system of the EU battle group. There is a large probability that in the future MLF major task within EU battle groups will be to assist in the aftermath of national disaster and humanitarian operation. Spoštovane, spoštovani, vojska je v okviru te strukture od ustanovitve do danes pridobila pomembne izkušnje pri oblikovanju in delovanju v okviru večnacionalnih poveljstev in enot. Prav tako pa se je izkazala kot dobra platforma za integracijo zmogljivosti Slovenske vojske v strukturo sil Zveze NATO. Slovenska vojska je namreč v NATO korpus za hitro posredovanje, ki ga vodi Italija, v preteklosti že uspešno pridružila svojo lahko bataljonsko bojno skupino. Verjamem, da bo Slovenska vojska s sodelovanjem v strukturi večnacionalnih sil kopenske vojske tudi v prihodnosti pridobila veliko koristnih izkušenj. Za Slovensko vojsko in še posebno za 72. brigado bo vaja, ki se danes začenja, velik izziv. Prepričan sem, da boste z njim uspešno upravili, saj ste svojo profesionalnost že dokazali in dokazujete v številnih preizkušnjah, tako doma kot tudi v tujini, v mednarodnih operacijah in v misijah. Vsem udeleženkam in udeležencem vaje želim čim bolj uspešno vajo in seveda prijetno bivanje v Republiki Sloveniji.
Hvala, gospod minister. Thank you, minister. Za zaključek današnje slovesnosti bosta orkester Slovenske vojske in orkester Italijanske vojske izvedla svoj šov program.
Thank you.